Sharon, how are you? How was the exam? How was it?
Oh,
Mine was nice.
thank God.
And I answered all the questions. How about yours?
Good for you. I answered the two questions here.
Why did the purpose of that?
I started with the difficult one now, so like I'll have time to hit like easy ones, but no finish.
How many questions did you answer?
Answer the next one. What about you?
I answered six.
You need to read the instructions.
Was the instruction of the exam?
Yes. They say answer five.
Honestly, I answered six.
Hmm.
Sharon and Hajara, what's wrong with both of you? You guys are not happy. What happened? Expected you to be smiling, dancing because of the physics exam. The questions are not hard. They are simple questions which you have seen something similar to them. So what happened? Sharon,
Hmm. Yeah. You didn't finish. I answered only two
you
questions.
answered two questions. Hajara, how many questions did you answer? Six questions. Did you read the instruction? The instruction said you should answer only five questions. Did you read the instruction? You did not read the instruction. Sharon, I guess it's because of time management. You are not able to answer five questions. Now, there are some things that you need to understand whenever you are in an exam hall, right? Whenever you are in an exam hall, the first thing is when you receive your question paper, you read the instruction. That's the first thing. You read the instruction. After reading the instruction, you skim through your questions, especially the essay part of the question. You skim through it, right? And you pick out the simplest question. That is the one you will start with. When you start with the simplest question, like in ascending order, then you pick out the next question. Why? Because of time management. So when you start with like the hardest question, you will not have enough time to answer the simplest question. I think that was the reason why you just answered two questions. Alright? So please and please take note of this. Whenever you are in an exam hall, the first thing is read the instruction, then skim through your question, then you pick the simplest question. As you're answering the question, you're looking at your time, right? So please cheer up for your next exam, right? Don't allow this to bring you down. Sit up and pick your book and read for the next exam. Is that okay? Smile.